Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we are designing this responsive homepage from scratch using HTML and CSS. So this is our progress as of now. Now in this video, I'll show you how to add styles to this hero image right here. So if you go to the original design, we can see that we have some styling for this hero image. And we also have a background shape over here, and we also have these colors over here. Now we have already written the HTML for all of this. We just need to add the CSS. So let's get started. Alright, here's the CSS of our project. So let's add some styling for the hero image. So if we go back to the HTML, we can see that we have this division with the class of hero image. So we're going to target this, and it is inside this container division right here. So let's target that in the CSS. So here I'll just type container hero image, and we need to rotate it a little bit. So let's type transform, and we'll type rotate Z, and we'll just rotate it -3 degrees. Right now if you go back to our design, we can see that it is rotated. Now we have already created a division with the class of image BG. So if you scroll down, here we can see we have this division with the class of image BG. Now we're going to use this as this background shape over here behind this image. So let's go ahead and target that. It is inside the hero image division. So let's go back to our CSS, and let's type container hero image, and it is called image BG. Let's set a height of 424 pixels and a width of 350 pixels, and let's add a background color of FF8F7C, and here we can see that the shape is being displayed over here. Now we want to display it behind this image. So for that we need to set the position of this image BG to absolute. So let's type position absolute, and let's set the top position to 0. Now we need to set it behind the image. So let's type Z index, and we'll set it to -1. Now the shape is behind the image. I will also rotate it a little bit. So let's type transform rotate Z, and we'll rotate it -5 degrees. And now we can see that we have the background shape just as we needed. Now the next thing we will do is add these colors over here at the back of the image. So if you go back to our HTML, we can see that we have created this division with the class of BG right, and in that we have these 3 divisions which are for the 3 different shapes that we have for these colors. So first of all, let's position this parent division right here, BG right. So let's go back to our CSS, and here we'll just type BG right, and we'll set the position to absolute, and we'll set the top position to 0 and the right position to 0. So it'll be at the top right, and we'll also set the Z index to -1 so that it is behind all the other elements. Now if you go back to our design, we cannot see it right now because we don't have a height and a width for this division, and we also don't have a background color. Now we're going to add a height and a width and background color to all the divisions inside the BG right. So inside BG right we have circle 1, circle 2 and circle 3. So let's target all of those. So we'll just type BG right circle 1, and we'll just add a comma, and we'll just type BG right circle 2 and BG right circle 3, and let's set the width to 300 pixels and height to 300 pixels, and we want to have a circle. So for that we'll type border radius, and we'll set it to 50% so it will have a circle. Let's add a background color for testing, and here we can see we have these 3 circles over here. Now we have to position each of these circles differently, and we also have different colors for each of these circles. So here we'll just type position absolute, and we'll add some top and right positions to these different circles separately. So first of all, let's target the first circle. So I'll just type BG right circle 1, and you can go ahead and experiment with different values over here. This is what I found for this design right here. So let's type top, and we'll set the top position to 50 pixels, and we'll set the right position to 200 pixels, and here we can see we have this circle over here. Now let's remove this background color from here, and let's add a different background color over here. So for the first circle we will add a background color of, let's say, green yellow, this color right here, and now we need to add some blur. So let's type filter, and let's type blur, and we'll set the blur to 100 pixels. And now we can see we have this background color over here, and we'll also set the blend mode to multiply, so that when we have the other colors it will have the multiply blend mode. So let's type mix blend mode. If you already used Photoshop or any other image editing software, you may know what this means. Alright, so we have added the color and the positioning of the first circle. Now let's copy this and paste it down here. This is for the second circle, and let's set the right position of the second circle to 400, and let's set a color of 6AFFFF. And let's go back to our design, and here we can see we have this color over here. Now let's style the last circle, so I'll just copy and paste it down here, and I'll just rename this to circle 3. And for this one we will just set the top position to 200 pixels, and we'll set the right position to 250 pixels. You can go ahead and experiment with these values. And for the color I'll just set it to yellow. And here we can see we also have the yellow color, so now it looks exactly like the design that we wanted. Alright, that's it with the desktop version of our website. Alright, that's it for this video. In the next video I'll show you how to design the mobile version. So this is how the mobile version is going to look. So we have different layout over here, and here we don't have the sidebar being displayed by default, but we have this menu button over here, and if I click on this button, the sidebar is being displayed over here, and you can go ahead and click on any of these links. And you also have this close button over here, and if I click on this close button, it goes back. So for this we're going to use some JavaScript as well, and I'll show you how to design this in the next video. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts you can ask in the comments below, and if you like this video please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.